it's Wes and welcome to DinkLife. Today we're going to do a quick review on the AER Travel Kit 2. This retails for $49. It comes in black, gray, and green. And also if you want the more advanced full waterproof version, which I don't have right here, they make an X-Pac version of that for $69. The dimensions on this bag are 9 by 6.5 by 3 inches. It is a 2.5 liter bag, and it also weighs 0.5 pounds. So I've been using the AER Travel Kit 2 for about a year now as my toiletry bag. It has lots of pockets on it. It's pretty roomy for the most part. It gets a little tight once I stick my electric shaver in here. But overall, it's a great little bag. And now let's jump into the inside of it and check it out. On the outside of the Travel Kit 2, there are 2 little pockets. There's one pocket here on the front and then another pocket here on the back. They also have these 2 little pockets right here, and this is so you can stick your toothbrush in to dry every day. So inside this front pocket, I kind of just keep a couple little things. I have some bandages, some Q-tips, stuff like that. So on the back pocket, I keep a set of earplugs because you never know when you'll need those sleeping somewhere. I usually keep some vitamins. It's empty right now because I'm not on a trip. Some Tums, and that's pretty much all I keep in the back pocket. So now let's open it up and check out the inside. So on the inside, it has a spot for a comb, and you can stick a toothbrush right here. There's a pocket right here in the front. I keep a razor in here. I also keep a thermometer from the COVID days, and then I keep some chapstick. Down in this main department, it has some elastic bands to hook bottles. I have some lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and then I also have some suntan lotion and some hair gel in there. And then on the top of the bag, there is a nice little hook right here, so you can hook it on a door, on the back of a door in a bathroom or something, or wherever, in a stall if you needed to. And then in this side, this pocket right here, I keep a thing of deodorant. I have some floss, and then I have my toothbrush. And that's pretty much everything I have inside this bag. And then one last thing to mention about the bag is on the inside, this fabric on the inside, it is coated with something to help prevent bacteria from growing on it, just so you know. And then to show you the spot what I was talking about when it gets a little tight, is when I stick my electric razor in here, kind of shove it over here. Gets a little tight to zip it shut, but here we go. There we go with my electric razor inside. It also has a little nice handle here to carry it around with. It's a great bag. Well, thanks for watching this quick review on the AER Travel Kit 2. It's a great little bag, and as always, whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.